And I said that we are going to discuss more points about the uh, materials. Understand students? So what are the criteria? What are the properties of the material? In material, what are the character of the material? So first character is appearance, how they look, whether it is shining or non-shining, that is appearance. Understand students? For example, metal surfaces, where it is metal surfaces, here you can see that metal surface, they are having a shining surface. Understand students? This is metal surface. This we will calling it as luster. Understand? We were calling it as luster. Luster means shining surface, and जो shine नहीं होता है, that we are calling it as non-luster. This is non-luster. You can see here it is not shining, so we are calling it as non-luster. So mostly metals are shining and they are solid in nature. Understand students? So example of shining, mirror, that is also an example of luster where shining will be there. Understand students? And next is hardness, whether the thing is hard or soft. If I use this marker, this is hard, so it is characterized under hard substance. But if I am using the sponge, or if I am using the cloth, for example, I am using any cloth, for saree itself I can take, okay, if I am using the cloth, this won't go in hard, it will go in soft. When you touch it, you can feel the softness. Understand students? And next is soluble or insoluble. Soluble or insoluble. Soluble means dissolve. The substance that mix up with the water, mixes with the water, that is called soluble substance. That substance that does not mixes with the water, they are called as insoluble substances. For example, salt and sugar, they are soluble in water. And in case of sand, इतना मिट्टी लेकर पानी में डालो, you mix this much sand and inside the water, it won't dissolve. That is called as insoluble substance. Understand students? So how much category we had saw? Appearance we had saw about the shining thing, and hardness, whether it is hard or soft, and soluble and insoluble thing we had saw. In next class we will discuss about the sink or float and the transparency of the material. Understand students? Till that, take care, bye, stay safe, stay home, and Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.